This story starts with Bob and Jack and their company, High Tech Bio. They took a billion-year-old plant, some 21st century technology, and came up with a formula that cuts greenhouse gases and potentially feeds the world. All this from a strain of algae found in Chesapeake Bay.
We can take the flue gas, the exhaust gas, from the burning of any fossil fuel and basically clean that fossil fuel up, clean that up.
Armed with the idea and some state funding, Bob and Jack went to the lab of marine biologist Feng Chen.
And we picked this colony and we transferred it into the new vials or plates.
Chen isolated a strain of algae that met the criteria and was found in waters near Baltimore. The growth process is simple. Upscale the algae colony from a small laboratory vial to a pint and then to a 100-liter bag.
And these particular cultures are grown up and are thick and are ready to be transferred to the larger tanks right now.
The larger tanks are bioreactors made of transparent mylar, like the sailcloth. Bubbled into each bioreactor is methane exhaust from a wastewater treatment plant. With special LED lighting, the algae inside grows 24/7. The algae literally eats the greenhouse gases 24 hours a day.
By the time this exhaust gas gets to the top of our 20-foot tank, it's been all the CO2 and nitrous oxides and so on have been absorbed and used for growth by the algae.
The only gas left at the top is oxygen. Left at the bottom is 18 pounds of algae slurry, harvested from the bioreactor every 4 days. From this slurry comes biodiesel, biogasoline, and other algae products.
Our algae is extremely high valuable. It can be used for pharmaceutical skin conditioning, used for thickening cosmetics and paints. It can be used for producing bioplastics. It can be produced for additive foods for nutraceuticals and food supplements for hungry people around the world.
All this from the simple algae plant and some 21st century technology. Tom Ritchie, Associated Press.